Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of Brigade Avalon, which is located in Whitefield, East Bangalore, a project developed by Brigade Group. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external, both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with the current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing in the front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the information and detail of the project, and even you can check out the model flat as well. And now about the land parcel. So the land parcel is just behind this marketing office. Now, what exactly Housey is? So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project will be constructed on total 4.35 acres of land parcel, consisting of 3 elegant towers, with each tower rising up to 15 floors of 2 basement ground and then 15 floors, which provides you exclusive 3.5 and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Coming to the location part, as mentioned, this project is located on Whitefield Main Road in Whitefield, East Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Whitefield Main Road, and this road over this side will take you towards Kanamangala, and the opposite side road will connect you towards Vartur. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can reach to Nexus Whitefield Mall in just 1.5 kilometers. Hope Farm metro station is 3 kilometers away. Also you can reach to ORR within 15 minutes of drive. Now let's talk about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures with vitrified flooring, CCTV, CP sanitary fittings and many more. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you world-class curated amenities like of here's the open landscape, grand clubhouse with swimming pool on the rooftop, other rooftop amenities like of open gymnasium, yoga deck. Let me show you other amenities like of basketball court, kids play area. Here's the cricket pitch and many more amenities on the project. Now let's discuss about the parking provision, and the project provides you one type of car parking, and that is the basement level car parking.
Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Brigade Avalon. As you can see in the image, the project consists of 3 elegant towers with luxurious amenities in the project. Now let's discuss about some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower B, with 4 flats per floor, 2 passenger lifts, 1 fire lift, 2 staircases, where all the flats are of 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the sum of unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 2765 square feet super built up area, and this is the unit plan of 4.5 BHK of 3862 square feet super built up area.
Now let's discuss about the current construction status of the project. So let me tell you that the construction work is in progress for now. Basically the excavation work is in progress right now. Now about the possession part. So let me inform you that the RERA possession of this project is by September 2030, but the Brigade Group will provide you possession roughly by September 2029. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of Brigade Avalon, which is located in Whitefield, East Bangalore, a project developed by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.